My only problem is to describe journalists as kindergarten.
You behave to say kindergarten, Quara.
Good see you. I have found the first. When I'm here first.
Someone in Namoka, and I say, and a Dr. Cocotia say, ne bank or Bayesa.
Wow, we'll be acquainted in interview. I don't know what to so be at the baby. My comment one time.
Just angel for more day.
Oh,
but Dr. Oteng, on ya dear.
And I have worked there before. And to me, I be out. Oh, to my yampia. Nasa woka se me behave second na garden school akoda. Sebe na wa fa me pe.
Ebusia na ya Brefo anu koyi nika. Na nanu ekoyi nika no ene wonyamoaye efie CEO of Angel Groups and Company. This is the Angel Broadcasting Network. Mr. Vincent Opare. Odi moaye bre no tin kran journalism. Kwa na moye wo Ghana hanim se.
Me dey me ye in central business. Me nye journalist. But kakra me hu no. I'm surprised. My code of ethics. Yes, I'm verify and sign a mark asem. Mean to me, behave to say kindergarten, Quara. Someone in Namoka, and I say, and a Dr. Cocotia say, ne bank or Bayesa.
Let's start ghtrends. And first time I'll put read them, so subscribe. I'm a menu click it on notification bell for latest updates. Now follow Facebook as let's start ghtrends and a TikTok and so as let's start ghtrends video. I'm a fabric. I didn't champion so I will know it. I'll comment section ho Eddie Amami. I was a medibasum say, and na ya Brefo ebe can sem concerning a Kofi Adoma when ni any new one baby secret so a bachelor say Kofi Adoma eye Dr. Kwaku Oteng ba hanko be bibi yenka ye ho kakra
yeah something nana something in fact mama kan kire Kwaku Oteng na pay Dr. Kwaku Oteng we a small matter this is something you could do if it was your child. You move more than what you
95.1.
It shouldn't have gotten to this that we will put a GoFundMe.
No.
That shouldn't have happened.
Kofi Adoma. Brawa boy.
That shouldn't have happened. He supported a lot of people on social media. A lot. That shouldn't happen. I mean, Adebra and Adiabeto say the campaign title Support for Kofi Adoma's Eye Surgery was initiated by a popular vlogger, Magraheb, a close friend of the journalist. In fact, he was there.
Yeah.
He went to the program with Kofi. He was there when it happened. To raise funds for the medical expenses as of February 19, 2025. The fundraiser has generated 2,317 euros. And I hear they are looking for 50,000 euros at the moment.
Only FM 95.1.
Mene ayana nankasa makasa was sending me video of herself telling me they are on transit traveling. She will give me update. That is all I can say for now.
Yeah. So okay, yes. And your buyer or beka and be release secrets beka ni power contributing the uncontributing ya or can nsem nyina wie ye no. Ana yes Sadiq Adams. Eko ye interview and your interview Mr. Vincent Opare ono ene CEO Adoma Angel Broadcasting Network. Ana papa na eba no was say mu to ho no munnim ansem munnim hwe. Instead of you people say mo be hwehwemu na mahu adekode potiam akoso ne debi monye mo sore ya na mo kade mo de
ande nti yenye bema
Kofi situation no anu odin na ohu say emre bia say problems like this is here normally ebusua no na oma omukwan say
privacy
exactly na ekwan ya ebusua no entutu omo ye no na onso waboa menim say ne namframam na sei nsem twofo bebre dodo na mu bebre wo hono masabi
ya say angel for more modern but Dr. Kwaku Oteng onya ade my ready be my TB my shebi so ade we yes no monya ade se monya ya onim se wote he kura me kan kire mo
opanyi me yase me kaminu na se mo ha because na man penisa but because of public attention na enya no nti na meka ho asem because Kofi de sebi baby o bia so tie me a on fa nche me enye me pene se me kana asem ama mansa ate ne mmom baby e ko no se ya mpanye me bi ho ntama emoa
ebi ne
ensentropho bebre kasa chese de wo mo kasa no I don't know se sana ensentre adwuma ne tie dia hey and then we have a long way to go me de me ye ensentre business me nye journalist but kakra me hu no I'm surprised mo code of ethics yes mo verify answer na maka asem me ntumi hu bebre behave to say kindergarten kwara
Adeng
na nsema ne nam a mo ka na sei na Dr. Kwaku Oteng aye sei ne bank obeye sa who say controller ankre controller no mo yesa ne ma no
Ebisi Mr. Vincent and your kotire no asema na o kasa no out mu say yes asem ne na hia ne time because also dear as a KG2 for a journalism na mu yo so no onye journalist but as a KG2 for journalism bi asem kwankwan yo ma ozi ankure hunu ne yedede ene o ka nsem bebrem na eno na no pawe na ya Brefo aba no say just asem no onye na bi se wo twa so say momo kotina wana mo keka mo nsem eno ansem keka nsem sebi wafa medwuma mu pen enti se me ya akola me ye medwuma te kindergarten media na sebi wo nso a wo fa mma mbe ye adwuma ne sebi ene wakansem ankasa.
My only problem is to describe journalists as kindergarten school children.
You don't do that.
You don't say that.
Including
as a
when you do
CEO
that, when you do
for
that,
a media house,
it means
you don't do that.
The one you are sitting in front in the crowd,
no crowd as a kindergarten akola. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Because if it is about us, any nipa akoye interview na nipa no ye adwuma wo.
Yeah.
The person still works within the same company. And I have worked there before. And to me na bia o to my yampia. Na say wo ka say me behave say kindergarten school akoda. Sebe na wa fa me pen na ma ye adwuma pen. Na problem ho. Minto aso. Nkomo no bi wo ha wo say mo a wan sha
Mammonchodo.
Na me kan say nkomo no bi wo ha.
Mammonchodo.
Ma me ka we na wo to aso. Nkomo bi wo ha wo say mo a wan sha wo be wie na watieti adofo na aso.
Oh yes, and that is what I see.
Wo bie nsem na ne yi a wan sha na watieti adofo na aso. And I never insinuated say papa nduare. I never said that. The fact said go fund be abano is an indictment on all of us. That's where my issue is. That's all. I have my case.
Yeah, the case was about Bra Sebe, young brother Wabo, and then who de Jija, and Umbra a woman. People can do more than they are doing, and if you critique it, that Charlie, Bra young brother pain Wabo, small other sumbinum, and if he were to be a very inner cycle person. And Ebiana, that's not the treatment we would have given out to him. It's never a wrong assumption or a wrong statement to make for people to turn around to feel that you are denigrating Obi. And to the point that you say someone whom you have employed before, worked with, behaves like Akwala. It means you who employ the person, say you are in the same shoe, or you don't understand it.
I made a video about Adoma. It was on Facebook, honestly. It's not that I speak my truth, what I know. All them things. Men na hanya me hwehwe no mo te say de o mo ye wo ho no abrotire ho minim because minim kasa minima de minim me ka kire ho de minim me mfama no nka na me ka say wo fififu afunu ani ase a wa hwe no hu saman na wo fififu ani ase bebre so na akohunu saman na be wi ase na adofo bi na watietie o mo na aso sentiment aso
Ebusiana se ade za media no so ho the street no so de ayehyepa enkopem se Kofi Adoma nwanwani ne ho beto no na medi munti ama na nsa abeka ye nsa wo Ghana de ene obeba na na chinsem eye bebre because na say ochina say we si say omo ankasa ne nkofo na etwa ne nwahia na say etwa omo na we beka we si mama oska we si we ma oska ene te say aye nsem bebre aya asebo Ghana ha asem to a ho de bia me kasa asem to a ana obehu nsem a ebe piepie ebe stresses to na nipa ni receive treatment ebe ya sa back and forth we no monhwe na monhwa so because soon nim faso bi asa na me koso aka so be follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and TikTok so as let's talk gh me de many audience na chi any update be for ba me de ebrebro make ka so be share video we ama foforo aba be she me din edina ni kwasanto makram